Hey guys, this is Ray here at Jeeps Unlimited. I'm going to be showing you an 02 to 06 Jeep Wrangler TJ tub. It's black. It was a Sahara edition. This guy has absolutely no rust. Very little TLC will need to be done. I tried to wash it as best I could, but everybody knows how black is one of the hardest colors to get clean. But this is the driver rear quarter. There's a couple dings right where the tail light would be in the license plate. On their driver rear corner. That guy's in really good shape though. No rust at all in there. Here's the wheel well. When we lift it up, I'll show you better underneath there. There's a couple of dings on this tub here and there. There's another one there in the corner, the very bottom corner where the wheel well will be. Yeah, look at that guy. Very clean. Absolutely no rust where the roll bar mounted. You can see that there. Some oxidation, like water gets trapped under there a little bit, but nothing that rotten through. Very clean. And here's the back wheel well, and that's where the rear roll bar mounts. And here's the other side where the roll bar mounts. Very clean, no rust. Passenger rear corner, absolutely beautiful. No dings on it. Very clean. And then on the passenger side rocker, this has a little bit of a ding there. That happens from when people, are rock crawling. I'm pretty sure you guys know, and you hit a rock or something, that will happen to it if you don't have any rocker guards on or anything like that. Yeah, so when I get that in the air, I'll show you that area a little bit better. And no rust on here at all. I mean, here's the passenger floorboard, very clean. Some water still. Like I said, I just power washed it. Didn't get a chance to get it completely dry. There's the Firewall, 02 to 06 models. If you don't know this, they don't have the hole in the Firewall. If you're looking for the style that has the hole in the Firewall for a 97 to 01 style, check out our website or give us a call. We have those as well. Here's the other roll bar mounting spot for the passenger side, right behind the seat. And the floor on this is very clean, very solid. I don't think I showed you the driver's side floorboard, but we'll get over there to that area. And there's that guy, very clean, no rust, very beautiful. And I'll raise this up and show you guys the underside. So here's the driver's side, underside. That's the very first body mount there. Very clean, no rust, no broken bolts. Here's the second body mount. Very clean, no rust. Usually they have some type of cancer or something going on in here. This one does not. Same as the rear body mount on the driver's side. And there's a better look at that little ding there. It's just, it probably caught a rock or something. Who knows? Hit it on something. People tend to go off-roading with Jeeps. That's what they're intended for, right? That's why we love them. And sometimes some dings happen on these guys. Here's the rear body mount. That guy is very clean. And there's the inside panel. It's not creased in or not bent in or anything like that. It just has a couple of those dings up there that you can see right where the tail light and license plate mounts. Very common on those guys. And here's the rear passenger. Very rear body mount. Very clean. And it does still have all the bracketry system that the 03 to 06 tubs have for like their evap canisters and stuff like that. If you don't have an 03 but you have an 02, it's a little bit of an off of ball tub, but that wouldn't get in your way for anything. If anything, you might be able to make some type of storage out of it. And then I'll show you this is the rear body mount on the passenger side, on the side of it. And there's the center body mount, again, no rust. And there's the very first one right there. Get that glare out of there. And here's a better look of where that rocker panel ding is. Like I said, a guy probably went wheeling with this thing at one point and caught a rock. It's very common on these. Luckily, these do have a flat edge here that are pretty deep. And let's see. Don't know if you guys can see it very well. Probably not with the light. But yeah, there's that. It's a weird angle to try to see, but I'll try to get the best view of this area for you. That's probably the biggest flaw, but not really a big problem, just because that's a very easy area to get and straighten out. May not be perfect, but if you put a rocker guard on there, it'll look just fine. If you're not a body guy and you're just trying to get a clean, rust-free, cheap tub for your project and get it back on the road, this would definitely be the guy to go with the very little TLC that it needs. But it's a solid body, absolutely no rust. If you guys have any other questions, feel free to give me a call. My name is Ray. I'm going to be the one helping you most likely when you call. I'm the guy that pretty much answers the phone. I don't get to do videos as often, but I tend to have some time sometimes, and I just had time today, and here's the video. JeepsUnlimited.net, that's our website, and give us a call, 303-666-9020. Thanks.